Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Bharatuji. Today I am here with a small topic, plant disease distinction and classification techniques. Now let us move into the video. For the beginning, abstract. One of the essential components of the human civilization is agriculture. It helps the economy to provide food for the humankind. Plant leaves or crops are to be different disease during agriculture cultivation. These diseases have the growth of their respective species. Early and precise detection and classification of disease may reduce the chances of additional damage to the plants. The detection and classification of these diseases have become serious problems. Farmers typically way of predicting and classifying plant leaf diseases can be boring. Problems may arise when attempting to predict the type of disease manually. The inability to detect and classify the plant disease quickly may result in the destruction of crop plants, resulting in the significant decrease in the production. Farmers that use computerized image processing methods in their fields can reduce the loss of increased and productivity numerously. Techniques have been adopted and applied in the detection and classification of plant disease based on image interfected leaves or crops. Researchers have made significant progress in the detection and classification of the plant disease in past by exploring various techniques. However, improvements are required as a result of review new advertisements and discussions. The use of technology can significantly increase the production of the crops all over the world. Next topic, introduction. Agriculture biodiversity is an essential for providing humans with the food and raw materials, and it is an essential component of human civilization. Agriculture biodiversity is an essential component for the human civilization. The disease can occur when the pathogenic organisms such as fungi, bacteria, and soil pH temperature changes in the quantity of moisture and humidity in the air, and the other elements continuously harm a plant. Plant disease can have an impact on the growth, the structure and the parts of the plant crop, affecting the people that they rely on them. The majority of farmers still use a manual method to detect and classify plant because it's difficult to do early on, and their reduction productivity, agriculture productivity is a significant economic factor. As a result, disease identification and classification in plants are critical in agriculture industries. If a proper precautions are not taken, it can have a serious consequences for plants by reducing the quantity, quality, or productivity of the corresponding products or services. Atomic diseases detected and classification recognition symptoms at an early stage, either when the first appear on plant leaves, lowering the amount of labor necessary to monitor large forms of crops. Next topic, plant disease detection and classification. Computer vision is a subdomain of AI that allows the machines to counter the real world problems and draw out them, inspect and recognize the real world images in the same way the humans do. Machine learning techniques have been used to detect and classify the plant diseases, but with the advancement in the subset of ML and DL, this area of research appears to have considerable potential in terms of increasing accuracy. Many development architectures were used along with the Journal of Big Data page 4 of 43 various visualization techniques to detect and classify plant disease symptoms accordingly. Medical diagnosis, epogeny, satellite image, and agribusiness are just a few of the rapidly increasing industries that have already shown the benefits of computer vision based on the techniques. Computer vision enabled system can be used in agriculture to detect and classify the plant disease based on different features or symptoms that have been extracted. Factors responsible for plant disease. A wide range of agriculture disease can be arise at various stages of plant development and harm the plant's growth, which can be have negative impact on overall crop production. Plant diseases are caused by the variety of conditions at various phases of plant development. As summarized in the crop disease cases, variables are categorized into two biofactors and abiotic factors. Biotic factors such as virus, fungi, bacteria, mites, and slugs emerge as a result of microbial infection in plants, whereas abiotic factors variables such as water, temperature, irrigation, and nutritional development damage the plant growth. Accordingly, some sample plant leaf images with different disease from the plant villages dataset and different images from the dataset showing the healthy and diseased plants leaves have been included in the study, and different images from other datasets showing healthy and diseased plants leaf have been summarized in the works of often accordingly. Additionally, the details computer vision based technique and including field crops, image, leaf image dataset, image processing, data splitting and performance assessments for plant disease detection and classifiers have been clearly indicated in the work of an administration. Next, detection and classification of plant disease. The detection and classification of crop diseases is an essential of DL and ML and computer vision techniques in agriculture in industries. Machine learnings and DLs and computer vision techniques are very essential for classifying the plant disease in the agriculture field. The aim is to develop algorithms and a technique based on image of leaves or other plants features that can automatically detect and classify agriculture plant disease. This can help farmers assess and manage the disease. Following a detailed and critical study of numerous recent ML and DL based approaches, developers had been planting disease detection and classification in the literature. The author has summarized a few key challenges in crop detection and classification, allowing the research community to investigate and cause that may have been significant impact on real-time based system for plant identification and diagnosis. Some factors and issues may have been impact on disease identification and classification. The majority of the have been summarized in the studies. Next, plant disease distinction and classification techniques. This is one of the major technique which is used by the AI to detect and classify the plant disease. At the end, conclusion. The literature provided many strategies that have been developed and made available to aid in the achievement of an enormous accomplishment in the field of MLDL and image processing. The assistants also stated that the percentage accuracy and can be enhanced by training and testing the models with more and more data sets to be boost the classification and identification accuracy. Several methods for classifying plant leaf disease have been developed and used in the past. However, the neural networks such as CNN appears to be the ideal technique for classifying plant disease due to their flexibility and feature extraction properties, which allows them the extraction features automatically. Unlike prior models such as NB, KNN, SVM, or FC, and other CNN, many learn extra features from image and product supervising results. Because of their superistic in learning and extracting information from images for a trustworthy output. Neural networks such as CNN are well suited for searching work in the areas of computer vision and image processing. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.